Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve lag on the application of TikTok, you should just go to settings. Here we'll enter to the window of apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to the window of TikTok here and you can click. After that you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to your Play Store, you can search about TikTok and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.